Okay guys, welcome to the Illumination Tunnel. Somewhere close to Mount Fuji. It's there somewhere, that's all I can say. This is a pretty cool place. Too bad we were there a bit early. I waited till the last second to record this. An hour later would have been so much better. This is just coming dark. Unfortunately, we were with a tour and it wasn't up to us. I have to say, the pictures did come out better than the video, but the video was still okay. Lots and lots and lots of millions of LED lights. This tunnel here is just made out of scaffolding. Really, really strong, that's for sure. As you can see, a pretty popular place. There was a bunch of tours went through there. Right here is a church, which was a surprise to see, but would have been really nice a little bit later, that's for sure. These tunnels seem to be quite popular around Japan and in Korea as well. Never far from food, that's for sure. I can't remember how long this is, but it seems to go forever. Carada. Can you imagine an hour later how nice that would be? This was a very popular one. For some reason, the ladies like to take pictures of the big shoe. I think I see the end. Finally, the end. It's actually the start. I did it the wrong way. Up, up, up and away. Really cool, huh? And we're out. Check that out, huh? An old wooden steamer box. Now I think, judging by the potato picture, that they're steaming potatoes. And it might be sweet potatoes. That was quite popular around there, steamed sweet potatoes. If anybody can read Japanese. please let me know. Check out this bird, huh? This auk. That's all lights. In the daylight you could see right through him. You could hardly tell that it was a bird. That's really cool. And that's the end. At this point my hands is freezing and I'm happy it's done. It was cold. Alright guys, well that's it. As always, thanks for watching. Lots of other stuff there too. There's a winery and restaurants and grocery store and all kinds of stuff around there.